Welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2014 Audi A7 Prestige. This is finished in Oolong gray metallic, optioned with the 19-inch sport package and the 19 by 9-inch 5 double-spoke wheels. This is powered by a supercharged 3-liter V6 engine. And you've got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, quattro all-wheel drive system, blind spot monitor, and LED headlights. Start up here on the hood. I saw some small blemishes. These are going to be rock chips, just from normal road rash. Front and rear park assist with reverse backup camera. Up here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. I think it's got some aftermarket silver caliper covers tucked behind there. The rest of the body's in really good shape. There is one small little ding here on the fender. You can see that dimple there. And back here at the driver rear wheel, great shape. Looks like it's had a little bit of curb rash, but it was touched up. There's a few light scuffs back here below the tailgate. Previous owner had a little lip spoiler added to the active rear spoiler. This is real carbon fiber. Stainless steel dual exhaust. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, a little curb rash along the lip of the wheel. 255 4019 Pirelli Cinturato P7 tires. There's a few light scuffs there on this fender. You can see those depending on the light. And to walk down the passenger side, body lines look really good, nice and clean. I don't see any dents over here. There's a small little scuff there on the edge of the hood. And last but not least, up here at the passenger front, a little bit of curb rash there along the lip of the wheel. And there's a little gouge there on the edge of that lip. Take it to the interior. We have a black leather interior. Bose premium audio. We got the dark brown walnut wood inlays here on the doors. That will extend up to the front dash and trim. Got cold weather package, so you do have 3-stage heated outboard seats back here with individual climate control. Audi Guard all-weather floor mats. Got your first row power sunroof. Driver memory settings. Power adjustable with lumbar support. There's some more of that dark walnut wood inlay there on the dash and the driver passenger door. Got 3-stage heated and ventilated front seats. Audi MMI navigation. Got heated steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel. And current mileage 94236. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here anytime, 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle on our website. Check those out at autoassets.com.